You're right. Nice. You are insane.
I just let go.
I know, but you kept on drifting to the left.
Yeah.
So I went that way, and I kicked my rear tire way up on something, so the bike bucked up, but I did the endo. Wow. Dude, fist bump.
That's where you just hope you get to the bottom in one piece.
Control's a relative thing, you know?
Controlled chaos is what that was.
Yeah, so doesn't Nietzsche say that everything comes from chaos?
Yes.
Or order comes from chaos?
Yes.